Now we are going to see some tips to help your kids eat healthy. Many parents struggle to make their children eat fresh fruits and vegetables and healthy nutritious snacks. Here are some of the tried and tested tips that work for all of you. First tip is to remove or limit the junk food. If your children have access to packaged junk food at home like chips, biscuits and candies, they are not going to look at fresh fruits, vegetables or healthier versions of the snacks. So we need to remove the packaged food from our kitchen pantry. Or we can limit it to say once a week. So we can make this rule like on all the days which do not start with S, we are not going to have any junk food. So we can follow this rule, no snacks, no sweets except on days that begin with the letter S, that is Saturday or Sunday. Due to the presence of excess salt, sugar and oil, these packaged food have become addictive and the only way out is to remove them from our children's diet. Tip number 2 is to replace this junk food with easily available and accessible healthy food. After removing the junk food, we need to replace it with equally tasty healthy food. So it's a good idea to learn to make healthy alternatives of all the junk food that your child likes. And in this program, we have included all such recipes. Also, it's a very good idea to keep fresh fruits on the table so that children can easily pick one fruit and eat it when they are hungry. Also, you can keep these healthy snacks made and store them which are easily accessible to your child when they are hungry. You can also go ahead and keep fresh vegetables along with a cutting board and knife or grater next to your child's table. So whenever they get hungry, they can easily reach out for a fruit or a vegetable snack or some other healthy snack. The third and very important tip is be a role model. Actions speak louder than words. When the children see the parents eating fresh fruits and vegetables day in and day out, they also get attracted and interested in trying out new fruits and vegetables. You can plan for a family time, an enjoyable activity where all of us in the family are sitting around the table and making maybe say different arrangements with fruits and vegetables. Tip number 4 is appearance is important. Make food appealing and visually interesting so kids get tempted to eat these healthy foods. Invest in colorful bowls and utensils. Invest in smoothie bowls. Invest in some equipments like spiralizers and smoothie makers so that children themselves can make many dishes with fruits and vegetables. And we can also cut fruits and vegetables in different shapes, sizes and patterns. Or we can have kids create pictures or patterns with the help of these fruits and vegetables. Tip number 5. It is very important to involve your kids in all the activities of the kitchen. Starting from shopping. You can take them with you for grocery shopping, fruits and vegetable shopping, maybe to a nearmost farmer's market. Let your child choose fruits and vegetables on their own and let them come up with their own timetable for the week. Which fruit they want to eat on which day, which vegetable they would like to consume on which day of the week. And one of the best ways to get kids involved with food is to let them make their own food. Let them make their own salad or smoothie. 99% of the time they are going to finish it. You can also try do-it-yourself meals like make your own wraps, make your own burgers, make your own pizzas, and you can provide them with all the healthy recipes and ingredients. Tip number 6 is to teach them to read labels. For the elder kids who can go and shop for themselves, it is a good idea to teach them how to read labels. By reading labels, they will understand whether that food contains harmful artificial colors or preservatives. Some thumb rules which we all can follow while shopping these ready-made food products are: avoid foods which have more than 5 ingredients, or avoid foods which have ingredients which a 10-year-old cannot understand or pronounce. Avoid foods that have some kind of sugar or sweetener listed among the top 3 ingredients. If all of us come together and understand these rules and implement these rules together, our child's fruits and vegetable consuming journey becomes smoother and more enjoyable.